They may not look like much, but these humble bamboo poles played an integral role in teaching a number of undergraduate University of Melbourne students the finer points of digitally focused design. The Experimental Design Lab, a summer studio based in the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning, challenged students to take ideas conceived in classroom on the computer and construct them in the real world. The result was to be a living construct evolving as part of the February St Kilda Festival. For Digital Fabrication Laboratory Coordinator Jazz Johnston, the studio provided a chance for students to learn skills at the cutting edge of modern architecture.
Digital design and computational design techniques are certainly becoming more and more prevalent within the industry. You're seeing them within academia being experimented with a bit more, and their practical application is appearing within the industry, especially within larger firms and more commercial practices, where they are really powerful and beneficial in the efficiency that they create in producing projects. But they're also quite informative in deriving form and generating outcomes as well. This is not so much about efficiency or anything like that, but actually creating something new and unusual and exploring some different concepts and ideas.
35 students from second year to fifth year were involved in the summer studio, and in total more than 300 modules will come into shape, like the one behind me, to fill a space 40 metres by 18 metres. Johnston says the studio took inspiration from nature and the idea that basic organisms follow a set of simple rules while not necessarily having a specific end result.
Instead of generating and defining the final object, you can define a set of rules which has many, potentially thousands of final outcomes. Within this project, the rules are really quite simple. We have 3 tripods which are created out of 3 different lengths of bamboo. Each length of bamboo is connected to a vertice at the end of a triangle, and those vertices then create tetrahedrons. And as these are connected up, they create almost like a wire mesh structure that accumulates into a larger object.
Bachelor of Environment student Josh Batterham says the studio was a great way to hone different, more advanced modelling skills.
This workshop has, in a way, given us a chance to sort of leapfrog ahead in a lot of ways and jump straight into more advanced modelling techniques. It's been very good as well in the sense it's been incredibly practical. It's not all about just purely computer-generated forms, but actually teaching us how to translate those into built structures, so everything from cardboard models to full-scale bamboo structures. It's been incredibly rewarding. It's been much different process. It's been much more group-orientated, I've found. Maybe because it's an intensive subject. We spend a lot more time at uni together, so I find there's a lot more collaboration between different people. It's also achieving a different outcome as well. You're not working to sort of your own final studio project. We're working to one big sort of thing that we can actually erect at St Kilda Festival. So it's a different sort of schedule and process to come to that sort of outcome.